Hello friends, how are you? Today we are going to revise 3D formula. These formula are very important for SSC exam. We should revise this formula before the exam. Okay, so we can easily tackle with the question which is based on the formula of 3D. Let's start this video. And if you want to watch this video in Hindi, you can click on the I button, and you can also watch the video in Hindi. Otherwise, I will put the link of Hindi video in the description. You can go there and watch the video in Hindi. Let's start with the square. Area of a square is equal to a square, and perimeter of a square is 4 into a. Diagonal of a square is under root 2a, where a is the length of a side. Let's move on the rectangle.
Area of rectangle is
Length into breadth, L into B. Perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B, and diagonal of rectangle is under root L square plus B square, where L is the length and B is the breadth of rectangle. Now start the division of 3D formula from here. And the basic formula is volume is equal to base area into height. This is applicable in any 3D figure. And CSA is its mean curved surface area or lateral surface area is equal to base perimeter into height. uh, Here is the figure of cube. You can see the figure of cube, and the volume of cube is a cube, where a is the side. Lateral surface area is equal to 4a square, and the total surface area is equal to 6a square. Diagonal of a cube is under root 3a, where a is side. Here is the keyword. You see the keyword where length is L, breadth is B, and height is H. Volume of cuboid is LBH, length into breadth into height. Lateral surface area is 2 into L plus B into H, or 2 into H, 2H into L plus B. Total surface area is 2 into L plus B plus H into L. And the diagonal of cuboid is under root L square plus B square plus H square. Here I remember also one formula. Number of diagonals in any polygon is n into n minus 3 by 2, where n is the side of any polygon. Number of side of polygon. Let's move on the next point. Volume. We can also find the volume of cuboid from this formula. Under root a, area of one side, area of second side, and area of third side, where a1, a2, a3 is three different sides of cuboid. Here is the important formula. Length of diagonal, it means diagonal squared plus total surface area is equal to length plus breadth plus height whole square. Let's move on the next figure. Here is a cylinder, and its radius is r and the height is h. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Lateral surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi r h. Total surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square is equal to 2 pi r into r plus h. Here is the hollow cylinder, where r is outer radius, small r is inner radius, h is height of the cylinder. Volume of a hollow cylinder is pi into capital R square minus small r square into h. Here is the total surface area of hollow cylinder. 2 pi into capital R plus small r into h plus 2 pi into capital R square minus small r square. Here is the cone, where L is the slant height, h is the height, and r is the radius of this cone. We can also find the length of a slant height it means L square is equal to R square plus H square. Volume of cone is 1 upon 3 pi R square H. Curved surface area or lateral surface area of a cone is pi RL. Total surface area of a cone is pi RL plus pi R square. Pi R into R plus L. Here is the sphere, where R is the radius of the sphere. Volume of a sphere is 4 upon 3 pi R cube. Total surface area of a sphere is 4 pi R square. Here is the hemisphere. Volume of hemisphere is 2 upon 3 pi R cube. Lateral surface area of a hemisphere is 2 pi R square, and the total surface area of a hemisphere is 3 pi R square. Here is the frustum of cone. we can Here we can see the L is the slant height, H is the height, and R is a small radius, and capital R is outer radius or larger radius. We can also find the length of L, it means slant height. Here is the formula: L square is equal to H square plus R minus R whole square. Frustum of cone. Volume of frustum of cone is equal to pi h upon 3 into capital R square plus small r square plus capital R into small r. We can also use this formula: uh, h upon 3 into area of bottom circle plus area of top circle plus under root area of bottom circle into top circle. Curved surface area of frustum of a cone is pi capital R plus small r into L. Total surface area of a frustum of cone pi capital R plus small r into L plus pi capital R square plus pi small r square. Here is the prism. This is a triangular prism, and every side of a prism is a rectangular shape. Here is the volume of this prism: base area into height, and the curved surface area is base perimeter into height. Volume of this prism is under root 3 a square h,
upon 4.
and the lateral or curved surface area of the prism is 3ah. Here is a hexagonal prism. Here one side is a, and the height of this prism is h. Volume of the hexagonal prism is 6 into under root 3 upon 4 a square h is equal to 3 root 3 upon 2 a square h. Hexagonal prism is made of 6 equilateral triangles. Here is the pyramid. You can see the pyramid. Here is the h is the height, s is the slant height, and a is the distance between center and the side, and here is the line drawn. This is the line which is the distance of a vertex and the midpoint of the pyramid. We can also find the slant height from this formula: s is equal to under root h square plus a square. Volume of the pyramid is 1 upon 3 base area into height, and the lateral surface area is 1 upon 2 base perimeter into slant height. Total surface area is curved surface area plus base area. Here is a tetrahedron. Volume of tetrahedron is under root 2 upon 12 into a cube. Total surface area of tetrahedron is root 3a square. Volume of octahedron is root 2 upon 3 aq, and the total surface area of octahedron is 2 root 3 a squared. Here is the video of a 3D formula. If this video helped you in your revision, give you give a like to this video and subscribe this channel. And if you want all this formula in detail and described form, then you can comment below this video. And if you want the video on other topics, another other chapter for revision video, then also comment in the comment box. Take care. Bye bye.